I come from a background in tech where oceans are not a common topic, but a focus on ocean is also not commonplace within the climate industry.
So, I'd like to take this opportunity to recognize the women and girls who are leading the way in climate and ocean action.
The next part of the equation is building community. Surround yourself with people who share your vision. Get them excited about the possibilities and find a way to work together.
This 1 ton of emitted CO2 is 3 meters squared or 32 feet of sea ice melt. This takes you right into your kitchen, your closet, and what you choose for travel.
You have warming coming out of the ocean. That tight polar vortex, which keeps cold air in the North Pole, is broken down.
I'm Vassar Seidel, president of the Oxygen Project, and I've been a deep sea mining activist and campaigner for 5 years. Today, I will be your moderator.
You know, this is an issue that affects everyone on the planet, right? Mining the deep sea, it's the entire ocean at stake. And
Today, a big announcement publicly. Greece has joined as the 26th member state to take a formal stand for either a ban, a moratorium, or a precautionary pause on deep sea mining.
So if you're wondering what SIDS are, so SIDS are small island developing states, and there are 39 SIDS across the globe.
Boats global voyages, where we're visiting around 20 countries every 3 months.
And the Mekong River is one of the 10 most polluted rivers that dump plastic waste to the oceans every year. And this also shows us how we are very closely related to the ocean.
The blue economy, or some people say the ocean economy, involves all economic activities involving the oceans, which can also include oil and gas, shipping that uses bunker sea fuel. When we talk about the sustainable blue economy, we're thinking about switching those over to sustainable activities.
I think there's a lot of ways in which if we're investing in something like the maritime shipping sector, there's a lot of co-benefits that go along with that. But I think that we need to even think more expansively so that everyday people who might not interact with the ocean can really understand how investing in the ocean solves much bigger global issues than just ocean related issues.
Mangroves have what, kind of in the finance sector would call a quadruple bottom line, and a lot of education towards investors or people who can have a positive role to the ocean is still needed.
Is an incredibly powerful sense in the ocean. It can travel thousands of miles much faster and much further than it can in the air and on land. And so sound is used really as a primary sense by species. It's used for everything from hunting and feeding to navigating, communicating, finding mates, etc.
Ocean acidification is caused by increased CO2 emissions that are going into the atmosphere, but 30% of atmospheric CO2 emissions have been absorbed by the ocean.
Oceans play a pivotal role in the Earth's carbon cycle. They're not only a major sink, absorbing about a quarter of CO2 that we emit, but they also have the potential for enhanced carbon storage through natural and engineered solutions.
The oceans are the largest reservoir of carbon on Earth. So when we're talking about this massive scaling challenge of removing gigatons of carbon, and we need somewhere to put it, the oceans offer a variety of different ways that we can explore.
When you look at the cycles of carbon in Earth, there are also fast and slow carbon cycles, and the ocean is the place that really couples those both.
So Runa, I've been super impressed to see that you've participated to prestigious events like the Met or the Festival de Cannes. I would love, and I think we would all love to see some of your work, please.
We've been speaking about sound pollution, and I've heard everyone speak about sound pollution. So here we see a dress which is made of cork being one of the oldest fabrics that have been used in the shipping industry. And what you see here is actually the sound graph of a healthy coral reef that I worked with scientists in Monaco to take forward.
So PFAS is popularly known as the forever chemical because it stays in our lives forever.